Kung di mo mabuksan yung GCash mo or di mo magamit, long press mo yung GCash mo and click the app info. And then next mong gawin, click mo yung storage and cache. Clear cache mo lang and then clear storage mo. Okay. And back. Then next mong gagawin after mong ma-clear data na is i-restart mo yung phone mo. Then for example, after mo ma-restart yung cellphone mo, just go to settings and then hanapin mo yung just scroll down, hanapin mo yung about phone and then click mo yung software information para ma-open mo yung developer option. Ayan, and then click mo yung build. I-build mo i-tap mo ng maraming beses yung build number. Ayan, hanggang sa maging developer option. Ayan. And then, hanapin mo yung developer option or i-search mo na lang. Okay, para mas mabilis. Developer option. Ayan. Just click it. And then, next mong gawin, after mong ma-open yan, nakikita mo yung OEM unlocking. Okay. Just, kung naka-off yan sa inyo, kung naka-off yan, i-turn on nyo. And then, i-turn off nyo ulit. Okay. Ayan, katulad niyan, naka-turn off. And then, i-turn off nyo rin yung developer option. Okay. Kapag naka-off na yung dalawang yon, punta lang kayo sa GCash nyo ulit. Then, yan, mabubuksan nyo na siya. Allow nyo lang yung mga yan. Okay. And then, that's it. Pwede nyo nang gamitin yung GCash nyo ulit.